App crashing when calling the Python34 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm providing the guided solution to fix this logic error now. While we cover the technical fix for Python34 library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Python34 library, the core execution library for the Python 3.4 interpreter. It manages localized memory allocation, PyObject, and C extension loading for software that embeds Python, such as specialized data analysis tools. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The best way to fix this is to reinstall the official python.org. Head to the Microsoft website, download both the x86 and x64 versions of the latest Visual C++ redistributables, and run the installers to replace the missing file. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Python34 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Python34 library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If registry clutter or Python34 library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Python34 library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.